Morning everyone. And where are we going today, Caroline?
Pézenas, Tony.
Pézenas. We're just going to have a little afternoon out.
Well, we hope.
Yeah.
It's a bit overcast today.
Yeah, it is, yeah. It's very overcast today.
And we're a bit fed up as well.
Yeah, yeah.
We've taken it off now.
Because we're supposed to have a winter berth.
Hold on, we're a bit fed up today as well.
Yeah.
As we've been told that they haven't got a winter berth for us, but we're still on. We can stay on the waiting list, whatever
Yeah,
that means.
yeah.
So we're waiting for Set to come back to us to see if they have a winter berth.
Yeah.
If not, we're going to hang around here and hopefully we'll get one. Hopefully. But yeah, we're a bit fed up, so we decided.
Of course, yeah. Yeah,
We'll
it
get
was a
off
bit
the boat.
upsetting really.
Not
'cause
upsetting, just disappointing.
Disappointing, yeah, yeah.
Disappointing.
But never mind.
C'est la vie, as
Hey
they
ho,
say.
yeah.
You only just put it
So we've arrived in
on. Pézenas, darling.
Pézenas.
Pézenas, that's it.
Yeah.
After a suicidal bus
Ride,
driver
yeah.
with bald tyres.
Yeah, yeah.
But it looks very pretty
Yeah, so we need to go to a bar and have a drink.
because we both want to pee.
Yeah, so we both on the toilet.
We'll get down.
So it's supposed to be a historic town, this. So we shall see.
Centre historique to the left.
Say again?
Centre historique to the left.
Oh. You're not wrong.
I'm not, I know.
Can we go to one of these bars first?
Are you that desperate?
Kind of, yeah.
Well, we'll find a bar. If there's one thing you can be certain, sweetheart, in a French town, there's enough bars to sink a battleship, Jen.
Yeah. Well, it looks quite nice, doesn't it?
What are you doing?
Getting stick out.
What do you want stick for?
Well, I just thought it would just see what it's like.
Tone's got an extra long stick, haven't you, hon? That he wants to play with.
To make it stiff.
Make it stick.
It's an extendable
You
stick.
certainly need a stiff stick. Tone, that's a bit. You don't need that.
What's up? What's wrong with that? Does look a
It
bit
just looks
odd.
a bit strange.
Eh?
It looks a bit strange, that's all.
Well, who cares? I don't care.
No, you don't.
So there's a nice church, by the looks of things.
I think we
So
should
this
get
is
off the
the-
road.
Yeah, I suppose so. Good idea with suicidal drivers.
No, we're suicidal walking in the road.
I do like my stick.
Do you? I'm glad. Lots of people say this is a really nice place to live.
Really?
Yeah. Let's see
Right.
how much houses are. 187 square metres, no price.
We like to have a look in an immobile here, don't we?
We do. But when they don't have prices on.
Do they not?
Well, these haven't got prices on.
God, I'm busting for Lou.
Right, come on then, we'll find you a pissoir.
Unless there's a
What's
little street there with all the ribbons.
You look like Tone. Can you get out the road, please? There's something coming.
What, one step?
Is that a cat? It's a big bloody cat.
That's not a big cat.
Ah, it's quite big. It looks
No, it's not.
tall.
It's just a normal cat.
Not as big as Alpha.
It's not a tiger.
No. Looks
No, it's
like
not.
it.
Could
Looks
be
like
pregnant.
it's pregnant.
Yeah, which is quite normal in these villages, isn't it?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Oh, it's a nice little square.
Yeah. Well, if we go and get a pissoir, and then we can go up. Well, that's what they call them in France. A pissoir.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not being rude.
No, you're not. Need a pissoir. Oh,
Passion voyage. Look at these buildings. These are beautiful.
They are, yeah. Lovely old buildings.
Yeah, but straight ahead.
Yeah, I know. Lovely apartment block there. Coco Mango.
Yeah, that's ice cream.
Is it ice cream parlour?
Yeah. There's a bar here.
Yeah, lovely building that. Overlooking a little courtyard. Lovely old building there where there's a bar and they probably have a toilet. Well, there might be some bars up there. Shall we go up there?
We'll go up there if you... Look at the size of them corks.
Oh, is that what? Oh, they are, aren't they? I wonder what they were.
Stools, stools.
Massive corks in the window. Use it as a
Oh,
stool.
they're stools, aren't they?
Yeah, they look like corks. Champagne, France, 1842.
Kom maar. Oh, niet rijden.
Still
It's in there, that's nice.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Yeah. What is that then?
It's spices and stuff, regional products.
It's what?
I don't know, regional products, I think. Bonjour.
Oh, there you go. Same shop, mate. Smells nice.
It does. It smells
What is
good.
it?
It's just all sorts of spices and stuff.
Oh, I see, yeah. Piment.
Yeah. Tapenade,
Oh, I see, right.
creamed garlic.
Wow.
Carrot puree.
Excusez-moi, OK? OK, merci.
Artichoke cream.
Wow. Bloody hell. What a place. Wouldn't have expected that here, would you?
Pardon?
You wouldn't have expected this here all that this time, innit? They're
I
hanging
know.
up, drying. Wow.
Savon.
Is that soap?
Yeah,
I
natural
was
soap.
thinking of getting something like that. Instead of shower gel. Is that soap as well then?
Yeah, soap on a rope.
It is, yeah.
That's one.
That's quite nice.
Yeah, it is that. That's nice.
Yeah. Might have to get some of that. It's not too bad because it lasts a long time, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Soap on a rope.
yeah.
You used to get that for Christmas, didn't you?
How much is that?
Well, I did, didn't I?
$6.90.
That's quite nice.
Do you want one?
Yeah.
That does smell. That's nice.
$7.90.
Yeah.
Are you paying on your...
No. Well, will do if you want.
Right.
Vous avez un petit sac? These are all the different things you can try.
Oh, I see, yeah. Testers.
Yeah.
Something flashing.
Pardon?
If you want to try.
Okay, merci. Let's put my glasses on to see what it is. Hold on, let's see what you...
You eat them?
No, hold on. What do you want? Merci beaucoup. That's goat's cheese and something. That. You like that? Thank you.
Oh, it starts flashing. What a nice
One
shop.
more. Merci.
Thank you. Have a good day.
And
Merci.
you. Try this, because you'll like this. No, I'm getting this for you.
What, olives?
Yeah. Garlic. Smell the garlic. What a shop.
What a lovely shop. It was nice, but it was a bit dry.
Is it?
Hij is dicht. Kom. Het is donker. Gaan we andere kraan zoeken, kom maar. Kom maar, je mag de andere kraan eens.
Sounded like a bloke, that woman.
What's in here? Biscuits.
Blimey, another nice shop. It's like being in Harrogate.
You what?
It's like being in Harrogate.
It's like being in Harrogate.
Wow.
Bonjour.
What's up?
I like them, but I'm not paying 13 quid for a packet of salt.
Why is that much now?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a bit much. Biscuits. Wow. Bonbon.
Look at this courtyard. Look at this here.
Oh yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Oh yeah. Crikey. Lovely courtyard out there. How much your little chocolate? They look like chocolate raisins, don't they? Is everything €13?
13 euro. I know you'll pay a bit more in places like
Yeah,
this,
of course,
but
yeah.
13 euros for a little bag of sweets is,
It's kind of taking the piss, isn't it?
yeah,
It's a lovely shop, isn't it?
it is a lovely shop.
Biscuiteur.
Yeah.
Vous goûtez un petit chocolat? Café?
Merci.
Ça, c'est une amande.
Oh, merci.
Almond.
Oh, they're nice.
I got an almond, do you like that?
Should get a bag of them.
You notice how warm it is when you come out, even though
What a lovely street.
it is. It's gorgeous. Here's another sweet shop here. So many little streets to go down.
There is, yeah. That little gallery up there.
Up
Little
there.
bridge.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. What's up? Another sweet shop
Yeah.
and biscuits. Every 2 yards, sweet shop and biscuits.
Look at these doors.
Oh yeah, I love them. With all the studs in.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're amazing, aren't they? Look at that. It's very Montpazier-esque, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they're nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
Not that I'd wear it like, but
No, I would hope not. Be a bit shocked if I found you one.
I think. So, have you got any like details of this little town?
No,
Oh,
just winging it.
or just winging it? Some lovely shops.
There are.
Okay. I bet they're
Very much towards tourists though, aren't
Oh
they?
yeah, yeah, tourist shops, yeah. Yeah.
Look at that up there.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
Parce que c'est de la pierre taillée. Hein.
Bloody hell, that's amazing, isn't it?
Isn't that beautiful?
Wow, yeah.
For sale
Il y
there.
avait, à l'époque, il y avait une maison avant aussi, il y a depuis il y a 2 ans.
Moi, je prends un là.
There's a bar there. If you want a bar and then you can wander.
Vous allez où? Ah,
There's a knife shop.
You're not buying a knife.
I know I'm not buying a knife.
You've got enough to sink a
I
battleship.
know, I know, I know. I was just getting close to this here. So I could look at that better. That's amazing, that. What a lovely
Beautiful
building.
that,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Looks like it's going to rain.
It's felt like that since we got up this morning. Let's go and
Yeah.
have a pee
All
and a
right then.
drink. And then I can hear water running water.
Agents Guy. Oh, Guy.
Gee.
Immobilier. another little square here. Well, it's a
You're
street,
outside
actually,
the walls here, aren't you?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so it's like a walled city, isn't it? Walled town. Bastide.
Yeah.
Is that really where it's want to be?
Well, let's go
Crikey.
and have a drink.
Hopefully they'll
still
do like a
open.
carte de rouge or something. What do you say?
There's here.
Where are you going now?
Well, there's here,
Oh,
but I don't know if they'll have a loo.
what?
I don't know if they'll have a loo.
Well, just go in here and sit down.
Where do you want to sit?
Sit
Here?
outside here, yeah.
What are you having to drink? What would you like to drink, Tony?
Carte de rouge.
Carte de rouge.
Et un quart de rosé, s'il vous plaît.
S'il vous plaît. Merci.
Merci.
So we're just sat in here. We're just going to have a look at history of
Pézenas.
Pézenas. Looks really nice, actually. It's been a bit of a nice surprise.
Yeah,
So it's just a bit of a day out, isn't it, sweetheart?
it
A
is.
day off the boat.
Every time I open my phone, I get 20 questions about what's going on with it.
Oh mince, ok.
Merci.
Rosé et au rouge, donc c'est comme
Merci
ça, ouais,
beaucoup.
c'est ça. On va arrêter de suite.
La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, la belle époque. Pour me champagne, love me insane. Flowers and chocolate in a color that matches my bonnet. Oh no, it's not a test, only the best. Belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, la belle époque. Airplanes with my name and dinner at restaurant Le Maurice. Oh no, no, it's not a diss. I only drink fizzy fizz. Oh, oh, throw me a kiss. Belle époque, oh oh. Sweet belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, oh oh. Belle époque. Picnics in the park, kisses in the dark. Oh, belle époque, ooh, belle époque, ooh, belle époque, oh oh, oh belle époque, oh oh, sweet belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, oh belle époque.
Cheers.
There's a church down there, Tony. Shall we go down there?
Yeah.
Here.
No. This is the museum.
That's pretty. That porch and everything.
Yeah. They're old vines there. What a lovely place this is. It's a pleasant surprise to come across this. It's quite Romanesque, isn't it? Obviously, probably is Roman to start with.
Please.
Yeah. Those doors there. Wow.
I don't know if
It
it's
sounds like
Roman.
it sounds like a lot of it was Roman.
Well, 12th, when is it from? 12th something?
12th century, yeah.
So that's not Roman, is
Well,
it?
1200. No, it's not. 1200
Look at
years
this,
after.
love this.
Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? That'd make a nice house, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful. No, it's not, is it? Oh, so that's the church there. We have a look in the church? No, it's not. It's Maison de Maître. Oh, what a nice square. Bloody lovely. No, I'm stopping here. What a beautiful square. What? Oh, it's amazing, this. A lovely place. I thought that was a church at first, but it's a Maison de Maître. The bloke meditating there. Oh, I see, right. Oh, it's like a little show.
Yeah. But it's what you want. I don't think you want hearts on your wedding.
Not really.
Just walk and see.
I don't want anything flash.
No. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. Shall ask him.
Yeah.
So we're just walking down this lovely street here. And we come across this.
It's beautiful.
That's what you call a vaulted ceiling.
It is, isn't it?
It's like the cloisters, aren't they?
Hotel de la Coste.
Sorry, darling.
Hotel de la Coste, 15th century.
Oh, wow, yeah.
On 6th of April 1660, the Prince de Conte, governor of the Languedoc, ici, stayed here at the court of Louis XIV. Siège du siècle led. I don't understand that bit. Wow.
1808 to 1900.
Yeah,
God, it's amazing.
it is amazing, isn't it?
It's off this little street.
It's a lovely dog in here. Wow.
Oh, bloody hell. There's a little well there.
So, look up.
Yeah. And the gallery up there, look. That's amazing. There's a little dog there. He's in the best place in the house, isn't he?
Yeah.
Cool.
Are we going up?
Oh, well, it goes through here.
It's just a shop, isn't it?
Oh, is it?
I think.
I like the waistcoats.
We'll go
They're
in.
good,
if you
aren't
want. Yeah.
It's even got the music to go with it. Wow. It's amazing what you see in these little places. Just go right through there. Maybe not.
No.
I can see up there, look. The old building.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
I don't want to go shopping one. I only want
Oh,
to
no.
nosy.
It's a little well there. What a lovely place. Where's she gone now? Oh, she's there. She just disappears. Wanders off.
Là-bas, à gauche, c'est... Ouais. Mais non, tu vois, ça fait penser comme... Regarde, on dirait comme...
Actually, it looks rough, does that stone, but it's quite smooth. Obviously that staircase goes up a bit further. There's a lovely breeze coming down from there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Cool breeze. It's flipping hot. Gallery staircase. That's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. Have you seen the metal strips
Yeah, yeah.
used to...
Hold them together.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's
Cut.
like a split there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But that, you feel it's smooth.
I know.
See, it looks rough, but it's not. I'm not bothered looking at the art. Like these steps are really smooth. What a lovely place. And back out onto the little street. And here we are back to the bus station.
No, we're not
Bloody
going back
hell.
to the bus station yet.
They're vaping. You walk into a cloud of vape, somebody right in front of you. They just don't care. Oh. So down at the bottom of all those roads, you come to this. This looks like a King Louis or a Molière. But they'll have cut that out as it looks like marble, that, doesn't it? Oh dear. So she's disappeared again. See, that says the Bon coin because it's on the corner. Coins are French. It's in the cornerstones. There she is. She has this great ability, even though she's really tall, great ability to disappear. So is that a bus timetable there? Number 5, back to Agde 5.
15:20, 16:45.
And the time now is 15:57. So 3 minutes to 5.
Oh no, that's your yours. So 15:20, 17:20.